What's going on, guys? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz, and in today's video we're going to be putting a soft roll-up tonneau cover on my Ford Maverick. If you haven't seen the previous videos, I took delivery of this Ford Maverick about a month ago. Coming off the truck, went through the vehicle, what it is, and we actually installed some mud flaps on it as well. So check those videos out. There'll be links in the bio below. If you haven't already, definitely subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Stay tuned. We're gonna be doing a lot more stuff with this truck and what it's capable of, a little bit more. We're gonna be doing some more accessories and everything like that too. So definitely subscribe to the channel. So let's get into it. Let's get the tonneau cover out of the box and we'll go through it. Alrighty, so what I have here is a Ford brand tonneau cover. I believe it's made by Truxedo. Part number VN Z6Z9950A42B. So this fits the 2022 and plus Mavericks with the 4.5 foot bed. It's the only bed that size that comes with these trucks. And we're gonna do this. I've always had good luck with soft roll-up tonneau covers. They hold out, you know, the rain and stuff, snow, and it's easy to roll it up and haul something, you know, bigger. I'm not really a tri-fold guy, and I'm not really like a hard tonneau cover or even a topper guy. So it's like best of both worlds. Keep your stuff, you know, relatively dry and be able to haul what you need when you need to. So alrighty, so just looking at it, just opening it up, got a weather seal here, some foam pieces with the instructions in it. This will have some clamps as well. Looks like 6 in total. The cover itself along with the rails. So we got 2 rails there. So let's get the instructions open. I'm gonna take a look at that and see what it says. Alrighty, so first things first, we're gonna take our little weather seal here and we're gonna go what they say to the bulkhead of the vehicle, which is the front edge of the bed, closest to the glass. So we're gonna get this cleaned up. It's got a little dirt on it, and then we'll apply this seal to this edge right here. I was just using a little bit of glass cleaner, any cleaner really to do that's safe to paint. Now that once we got that cleaned up and it's dried up, we'll take the seal, put it on that edge there. Now that we got that, we're gonna go right to here. Just cut that foam. There we go. It's a nice little edge there. Cut. All right, so I got both of the rails here. I put them on their designated side. I've got this little foam kit here. I'm gonna break this into 4, which it's already broken into 4. So you're gonna take one of these, and you can take the front edge of the rail, and you're gonna put this on this edge. So now we got that on there. Grab the other side and do the same thing. All right, so we got that on there as well. So now that we got those on, place the rail up on the cap here, and it sits on top. And you kind of want to just line up the foam piece with the edge of this plastic cap and have it flush on the inside here. Okay, so we got those kind of in position. We're gonna leave them loose because we need to get the front of the cover to the front, and then we're gonna set these side to side. I'm gonna take the rail, I'm gonna grab it, I'm gonna try to put this in. Okay, so I kind of had to stand the tonneau cover up and put this end in. I'll like slide the end in to here, right in here. So this thing like hooks around and goes into here. Yeah, hooks around, goes into here. And then this other side I gotta get in there too, so. See right there, that's tucked in there. So I'm going to take it and kind of go forward with it, get it lined up with the front. I'm just going to center this up, try to get everything lined up as best I can, the rails, and then we'll clamp these rails down next. Alright, so I got the tonneau covers all set in the front there. The sides are lined up the way I think they should be. So we're going to put our clamps in place. They give you 3 clamps per side. Alrighty, so I got everything set here with the clamps. I kind of adjusted the tonneau cover on this side and this side, just kind of squared it up. Got the clamps set over there, so now I'm just going to tighten them down and get them cinched up. Alrighty, next I'm going to roll up the tonneau cover, make sure it fits side to side on the ends here. Alrighty, so feels pretty good, so we're just going to roll it back up. Okay, so I'm gonna double check that clamp there. That kind of went wonky. Looks good. I'm gonna check this one. I'll fix that one. There is one more step we need to do once the tonneau cover's out, and that's put these foam pieces on the end there. And put the little foam pieces on the corner here. I did notice that these are 2 different sizes. There's a size for the rear, size for the front foam when they come in the pack, so probably should have told you that in the beginning of the video, but I didn't realize until now. Alrighty, so this system is a 2-latch system, one on each side, and a latch here. So there's a latch right there. So it's 2 latch. You gotta undo this one and then that one, and then that one to get it open. So it's a little bit of a cheaper tonneau cover, a little bit more of a price point tonneau cover, but I've had this in the past on my Ranger, and they're pretty good. So that's locked. Yep, that was there. That's locked. So you put a little pressure right here, and it locks. So yeah, we got that on. There's the tie hooks up here. So when you roll it up, I'll show you real quick. And it's gonna be a little stiff at first. Mine's a little too stiff, but then we got our hook right here that just kind of hangs down in here. And you hook the tonneau right like that on those loops. So now it's stored away, and you can haul whatever you want in here, really. So that's going to be about it for this video. I'm going to get it rolled back out, and that'll be about it. Alrighty, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely check out the link below. I'll link this tonneau cover in the link below there, part number and everything. I think they're about 380 bucks, somewhere around there on FordAccessory.com. And this is genuine Ford. Has the little thing in there, so, but looks good. It's a little tight, but it'll break in. So I might have to do a little bit more adjustment on it as it goes along, but you can always loosen them up and do what you need. So other than that, fits great, looks great. It's not as low pro as some people like, but it'll be just fine. It sits about inch and a half above, which is totally fine with me. So just to have that coverage for a decent price. So alrighty, you guys have a good day or night or whatever you're having. Make sure you subscribe to the channel too. See you guys. Bye.